My name is Patrick Doran. I'm from the county of Marin, and this is my first time attending the conference. And I attended the urban counties session earlier, and we discussed the hot topics for counties. And some of the discussions we had were the topics, top 5 we picked: disaster recovery, cloud, digital transformation, Office 365, or more so about Microsoft licensing. And some of the key takeaways I got from that today were that a lot of the same things that my county is facing, other counties are also talking about. And I was really interested in hearing their thoughts on disaster recovery, what they're doing to, if that's a hot topic for other counties, and what they're doing specifically. And it was really interesting for me to hear that, we face a lot of the same questions, and the thoughts that we had in the room are going to be shared tomorrow with the joint discussion between urban and rural counties, because we felt that they were really important topics to bring up and discuss tomorrow. We have a presentation to complete our leadership academy that we did here, and some of the things that I'm looking forward to do mostly here are just meet up with other members of CCISDA, people that work in the same field that I'm in, and understanding what things they do that I could pick up on and take back to the county. And I'm really just kind of looking forward to learning everything that goes on here. And I realize that in some aspects we're ahead of the game, and others I could learn from some of the people in the room that in the urban county session and what they're doing.
Hi, I'm Sabina Cantu. I'm the Assistant Director for the County of Santa Cruz, and I've been coming to CCISDA for over a decade now. And one of the reasons I keep coming back is obviously the opportunity to meet with colleagues from other counties, but I'm also been participating more and more at CCISDA. I'm one of the people at the Fun Run, our Fun Walk, and I'm also the co-chair of Rural Counties, which is a particularly important session for us because we get together and talk about what our common goals, our common crises, our common needs, and we get to hear other people. If they're ahead or behind us, we can offer them help if they're behind us, and we can reach out to them if they're ahead of us, and it's just a fantastic venue for doing it. So we look forward to coming, and this year we have 6 people from Santa Cruz County, so we really try and bring both the higher management and mid-management so that everyone can benefit. This year's conference is revving up government IT, and that's kind of a big deal for us because for the first time our county is going to have a county strategy, and that will let us really have a strategy to map back into the counties. But we're really looking at helping our user departments to automate, to go digital, and to really revolutionize how government works. And so I think this theme really just fits right into that.
Brad Calstein from County Nevada. Just came from the rural sessions, and there's a lot of stuff going on in a lot of different counties. We're just one of many with many projects, and it's great to hear what everybody else is talking about and doing, and there's a lot of collaboration that is happening, and it's great to be part of that. This is my second time attending. I attended last spring, I believe, up in Tahoe, and then attending this one. I'm doing the CSAC credential, so I'm going to present tomorrow. The CSAC classes, it's a year-long thing, and then you're doing your capstone presentation and project, and that was a great experience, a lot of collaboration with other people from other counties to work on topics that are very important for the rest of the counties, and to have that collaboration was a great experience, and I'm really happy to be part of it.
Hi, I'm Martin Weekly from Santa Clara County. This is my first visit to CCISDA. I just came out of the Urban County session, which I found very interesting and enlightening. The range of topics was broad that people talked about, using Microsoft products, Microsoft licensing coming out of it, as well as citizen engagement, how to get citizens more involved with government in general. Well, as a government entity, we have to listen to what our citizenry says, so how do we promote that from an IT point of view for the business end of the county? I know I'm going to be attending the Others in Charge, a joint urban and rural county session, as well as the Tender for Government.
So my name is Michael Rock. I am from Alameda County, and I helped facilitate the OIC Lounge, where we invite others in charge to come and do some networking and have some fun. And this year we had a theme of Pinewood Derby. First thing we did when they came in was we split them up into teams. We had to actually count off numbers so that we could split them up so that they weren't necessarily in their county teams, but in teams that they giving them opportunity to get to know each other. We had them introduce themselves. They came up with team names. And then eventually we went to a trivia contest about the CCISDA organization, as well as Pomona, which is where we're having this conference. And the winner got first choice of the Pinewood Derby kit car. And then as we went through the winners, they each got to choose their own car. We then had them paint and decorate their cars, as well as name their cars. And on Tuesday, we're going to take all of the cars and we're going to actually have a real race. And the champion of that race will be given a first place trophy. We also have a medal for the second place team, as well as another bronze medal for the third place team. We are also going to have a competition with the vendors, and we will give a trophy to the vendor that has the fastest car.